proud now.
Grandpa C would be proud. We're doing a video for Grandpa, huh?
Hey, Dominic.
Dominic! Dominic, do you like cows? Or you're talking to the pretty girl?
Dominic. Hey, Dominic.
He's laying on the cow.
Do you like the cows?
Do you like the cows?
Do you like cows?
Do you like the cows?